In this video, we're going to talk about how to add SQLite to your applications project. So a bit of background about SQLite. So it allows you to make use of the local storage on the user's device in an effective way. So SQLite or SQLite has been built as a library so it becomes part of your application, and there is no additional configuration like there is normally with a full-blown database server. So SQLite or SQLite is completely free and works across various platforms nicely, making it a very good choice. There are a couple of ways of adding SQLite to your EWP application. One way is you are using the Entity Framework or the EF Core. This allows you to use the Entity Framework like any other data source. You just need the appropriate connection string. So in this case here, it could be data source equals my data file .db, for example, and to install the Microsoft.EntityFramework Core.SQLite NuGet package. So the NuGet package, of course, are always available off of your Properties window. Manage NuGet packages is right here. Now the other way that we'll have to show you here is using the open source library that Microsoft has built. So to do that, you could open up the actual NuGet package manager, which I'll do now. And you'd want to search for the Microsoft.data.SQLite.core package. Now, because I already have it installed, I can find it quite quickly, and it's right here. All right, so this is what you would want to look for. So using the Microsoft Data.SQLite package, the core package will use the version of SQLite that comes with Windows. All right, so this .core, it'll use the one again that comes with Windows. Okay, so now that we have that information, let's take a closer look at how we can use that package. So first off, we require Microsoft.data.SQLite as a using statement. So that's right here, I'm just highlighting that. So then in the sample method that we have here, we instantiate the SQLite connection object and have it open the mydb.db file, which is right here. So this is all a valid way to set up a connection string. So this is a file on the file system. If it doesn't exist, then when it executes, it can create it. And the open method is going to trigger that function. You can now run various SQL statements against the database, including both DML, which is data manipulation language, as well as DDL, which is data definition language, after the open. So right here, this is where I can execute statements. So I could create tables and views, I could insert data, query data, and so forth. And this is based on the ADO.NET interface, which is based on the Microsoft.Common.Data platform.